Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Sean is on it. He's on it. Fish right here, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You know how sand be hot when you walk on it? I got the salmon, y'all, and the couscous. All right, y'all, we just checked in. We here at the ship in West Palm Beach, the Margaritaville. All right, y'all, we about to go by Checkpoint Charlie. We got the chief celebrity here in the house. All right, y'all, we got the whole Newark and Savannah crew right here. They loading it up. We aboard, y'all. We are aboard. Hey, hey, hey.
Deck 10 right now.
Deck 10. That's very...
Of course. And for your drinks package is
that's
deck
important.
8.
Lunch.
So, yes, on
Deck
deck
10.
8 for drinks.
Okay, y'all. Oh, that remind me about my shoes. I should have bought my flip-flops. This is the... Here we go, y'all. We're gonna be on the ship for a little bit. I can't wait to eat. Fish with salsa, pork, tenderloin, beef stew. This is what it is, y'all. I got the stewed beef and the rice had some pork in it. I got this fish right here, man. Look at this, look at this, look at this. On board the ship, right? We just got on board. We're gonna be in port here until about 5 o'clock. Got my juice. What kind of juice was this in? It was fruit punch, fruit punch. This is what it is, man. Look. I'm about to get my eat on. Let's try the fish first, okay? Try the fish. Wow. The fish don't look breaded, but it tastes breaded. The fish?
Oh, okay.
Is it breaded? It looks breaded to you? It look breaded? Okay. That's some good fish. Did you get the fish?
No.
The fish is good. You got vegan stuff. Oh yeah? I should have tried that. I'm gonna go for already. Look, the stew beef. It feels like when I tried to stick my fork in, it was hard to get it in. Yeah, that piece still tough. All right, y'all. We bring the stew beef. I need to try another piece. I'm glad I didn't get a lot of pieces of stew beef. Here's another piece. Let's try it out. Yeah. It's not melting in my mouth. Gotta drink something now. The stew beef is not tender. All right, let's see how the rice with the stew beef stew. Let's see how the rice with the stew beef stew in it. That's good. Let's mix a little of that fish. Being that the fish is really good, mix some of that fish with the rice. Now that's good. All right, on to the next one. Okay, I got veggies now. Feel like I'm vegan. These veggies are spicy, y'all. Rooms on the ship, y'all. What room we in?
600 something.
6004. Let me go first, cause I gotta take a dump.
You go down one.
Here we go, y'all. This is the room. We may do an upgrade, y'all.
Yeah, we
may do an upgrade.
No luggage yet.
Upgraded. No luggage in here yet, no. All right, so I'm not even gonna use the bathroom in here. It is, y'all, we pulling into the Bahamas. It's a rainy morning. It's about 6:30 a.m., maybe 7 o'clock. Okay, so I'm walking back here towards the beach, but they told me to ask for the prop club. This is some hotel here. It looks really nice. People in the water, and it feels really nice right now. I'm telling you, really nice out here in the Bahamian beach. Yo, they out there chilling, yo. I don't have a towel. This is so tempting, man. I'm telling you, y'all, by the water here, it feels beautiful. Look at this water, man. Should I take off my shoes? I think I will take off my shoes, y'all. Take off my shoes. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tell you one thing. Oh, this sand feels cold, y'all. Just FYI. See this? It feels really cold. There's gotta be a place to cool my feet off. I'm telling you, the sand is really cold. You know how sand be hot when you walk on it? This is not hot sand. That water has to be warm, because they out there, it looks kind of like normal. I'm gonna let the water get my feet, y'all. Let's check it out. I'm gonna stand right here. I will not be tricked. I will not be tricked. That water feels pretty doggone good, y'all. Look, 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 look. Look, look, look. Look, look, look. It's really nice. Y'all know I'm bugging, man. I'm out here. The water is like really beautiful. I want to say it's that emerald, like greenish blue look. It looks brilliant, man. I'm starting to second guess if I'm really a trooper or not. Because if I was really a trooper, I'd have gotten that water, man, and just would have been walking around sandy. Still a little, I mean, it's not cold out here at all. Y'all see I'm out here with a short sleeve shirt. But it's just that little breeze, you know, that once you get wet, it turns into a cold breeze, you know, so that's what's going on here, man. And remember, in the Bahamas, they drive on that side of the street. They drive on the left-hand side, y'all. The left-hand side. Look like that used to be something that it ain't no more. Yo, I bet cats be out here chilling, cooking out, eating coconuts on their table. There's a beach right here, right? And there's I don't know if this restaurant is called La Casa, but I just got dropped back off. I'm right there close to the ship, so I can make ship's movement. I do not want to miss ship's movement, you know? So let's go check this out, man, and see what's going on. I heard that you could look off here. Feed the sharks. How y'all doing? All right. Did you guys eat here?
Yeah, there's shark in the water too.
Oh yeah, we're gonna see. That's what I'm going to see, the sharks.
They're still there.
Let's go see the sharks, y'all. They say the sharks is in the water. I want to go swimming with the sharks. Y'all hear that noise? This is it, man. La Casa Beach Cafe. Let's go check out the sharks in the water. Go to the beach, get the shark. How you doing? All right, hello. Let's go check out the sharks in the water. Look at the sharks. Look at the sharks right there, y'all. See the sharks? I ain't scared. All right. They like that. They like a challenge. How you doing, sis? You been swimming out there? Oh, there you go. Feeding time. Little fish on the shark is on it. He's on it. That other shark was a little slow on the move. So you got the sharks right there. There's some beautiful water, man, I tell you. I'm kind of wishing I would have got in the water earlier. I'm not really. If I wanted to get in that water, I would have got in. I'm not the type of person that just don't do nothing and be like, I wish I would have did that. I wish I would have did that. Look at that shark, y'all. Thank you. I got the salmon, y'all, and the couscous. All right, y'all, this is the entree. What do they call this? The main performance? Which one was this called on the menu?
It's called the headliner.
This the headliner, y'all. All right, here we go. We got the couscous and the salmon. I'm gonna taste it before I put any salt or pepper on it. Oh, and it's not. I thought it was dry. It kind of looked dry, but it's not dry.
Okay.
It is not dry.
Some bread.
Tastes well seasoned.
Bread.
And it tastes creamy almost. Salmon tastes almost creamy. That's that fat in between the layers of meat.
Almost like it was this morning. I think a little bit more.
It's a beautiful taste of herbs and spices I taste on here. Delicious. Okay, y'all, I did not know which one to order. So they bought me the chocolate brownie and the key lime cake. I thought it was key lime pie at first, and I told them never mind. Then I went back to this, then I went back to that, then I went back to this again. So we're gonna try both of them, man. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Just a little piece here. Oh wow, that's good. Oh, it's chocolatey, and it has like a little piece of cake filling, like at the bottom, a cake base. See the... All right, let's try this one next. Let's try this one. See, it's got the little red cherry or strawberry drops. Let's put a little in there. See that? Oh, both of them are delicious. It tastes like I'm eating a little piece of white chocolate. Where's that little crunch in the cake? You taste it?
Egg.
Steve said it was the egg. All right, y'all, we just pulling back in. It has been an amazing 2 days. This is the third day of a 3-day, 2-night cruise from West Palm Beach to the Bahamas. The weather right now feels like 70 something-ish. A little breezy, man. But it is absolutely gorgeous out here.
Onions?
Yeah, y'all. Yeah.
Some
This is the omelet station, but he's gonna get the he's gonna not get the omelet.
yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. You see that? This is what I'm talking about.
Level number 5. And you do have your passports. You can proceed to the gateways, which is conveniently located on level number 5. One thing, thank you so much for your patience and your cooperation.
So just make sure you have
And
that body.
we hope to see you all in